Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the app and creating a notification channel. This is mandatory on Android 8. 0 and above. Create a unique channel ID and human-friendly name, then set importance to control interruption level. Once done, attach a sound URI to the channel using audio attributes so Android treats it as notification audio. Make sure to register the channel with Notification Manager immediately, because notifications posted before channel creation may not behave as expected. Next, build the notification using Notification Compat. Builder and pass the channel ID you created. Set small icon, content title, content text, and if supporting 8. 0 include priority, otherwise rely on channel importance. Assign the same sound URI on the builder for clarity, add a pending intent for tap behavior, and optionally define a vibration pattern and lights. Once configured, call Notify with a unique ID. This delivers the sound and visual elements together. Finally, verify behavior on a real device and adjust channel settings if you don't hear a sound. If sound fails, make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking notifications, and confirm the audio file is supported and reachable. Use OGG or MP3 in res/RAW or a content URI. If you update the channel's sound later, delete and recreate the channel since Android persists channel settings. If problems remain, log notifications and test alternate devices to isolate system versus.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.